Okay, so far so good. Got that hooked up. Got that hooked up. And now I just gotta hook up the computer. So I've been using Flight Simulator on really an old version, but it works fine. But I am gonna upgrade to Plan X11, I believe. So let me end this video now, and I'm gonna set up the rest of the computer, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Okay, so dang it, I'm already kicking myself in the foot. Got everything powered, as you can see. Now, the light came on, the clock came on, the quadrant came on. So the next piece, I just need to set it up. So let's figure that out.